Do you want to create your store using LightFunnels AI? First, head to your dashboard and click on Start with AI. Choose Ecom Store, then pick an AI template, select it, then choose your preferred language. You can pick from any of the available languages. For example, let's choose Arabic. Then click Next. On the next step, choose your checkout experience. The separate checkout page is ideal if you're selling digital or physical products and want to convert visitors into customers through a dedicated checkout flow. The checkout form on the product page is perfect for single product offers or cash-on-delivery setups that require quick purchases. Click Next again, and you'll see a preview of the pages that will be generated for your store, such as the home page, collection page, product page, and other key pages. LightFunnels AI will now start generating your store. All necessary pages will be automatically created, and you can see all the section of the pages. For example, you have access to change the sections of the home page like the header, nav bar, hero card, and more. Once the pages are ready, you can view each one and customize your store's design and style. You can change the fonts, or you can regenerate options until you find what suits your brand. The same applies to colors. Choose from available palettes, or regenerate new ones until you find the right fit. Click Next again to name your store, and you can edit the store slug, which will be visible in your Stores section. Once that's done, you're ready to add products and connect integrations to your new store. At the store level, first click on Customize Template. From there, you can view all the pages of your store. Make sure to change the page status from Unpublished to Published, then Save. Next, click on Products and select Add New Product. Write your product title, generate its description using AI, then upload and select your product images to attach to the description. Make sure to set the price and, if needed, the Compare It price. Go to the Variants section and add any relevant product variants, such as color, size, or material. If you want to add testimonials, there's no need to do it manually. Just copy and paste your product name, choose the language or dialect you prefer, and let AI generate them for you. You can do the same for reviews. It only takes a few moments to get localized feedback. Don't forget to save your changes. Then go to the Collections tab and click on Add New Collection. Name your collection and attach the products you want to include. Repeat the process to create as many collections as you need. Once done, preview your store to see the results of your work.